Hey guys, so I kept a running document for a while where I logged every platform I tested. Dates, amounts, what worked, what didn't, how long before things went sideways. Started it after losing money twice in the same month and realizing I had no real system for any of this. That document is not short at this point. Few years of entries, most of them ending the same way. But somewhere in building that habit of actually tracking things properly, I got pretty good at recognizing what separates a platform worth staying on from one that's just waiting for the right moment to disappoint you. Get Flash Bitcoin has been in my active stack for around a few weeks now. What earned it that spot is something I'd describe as behavioral honesty. The platform operates the same way regardless of whether you're a new user or someone who's been around for weeks. No honeymoon period where everything works great and then quietly degrades. No terms that evolve in ways that happen to benefit the platform more than you. Just consistent, predictable operation across the board. All right, so getting into the actual walkthrough, first thing when you're on the platform is picking the amount package. 4 tiers laid out, pricing is transparent, each one has a stated use case attached to it, so I'm selecting this one here, solid, then visibility duration. It gives me a window running from 1 hour all the way out to 7 days, so let's go with 1 week for what I'm covering today. Okay, next, network selection. Yes, it's correct. Then filling in the target address field, so opening up the wallet, copying my Bitcoin address, flipping back, dropping it in. That's right. Then hitting buy BTC to move forward. Good. Payment screen loads up. 2 options, direct send or wallet connect. So I'm going with direct send. It's the easier one to follow along with. Okay, choosing the coin. And yeah, there we go. All the steps are done on my end. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the transaction confirmation to come through and the platform to finish processing on their side. Once that clears, the token should hit my balance. So while that's working its way through, I want to break down what's actually held up here over time. Consistency is the first pillar. And I'm being precise about that word. I don't mean it occasionally works. I mean the feature set and pricing and overall behavior are identical every single time I've logged in. No drift, no gradual changes that you only notice after the fact. The reason it became non-negotiable for me goes back to a rough patch early on. Got caught out twice in relatively quick succession. First time through pure inexperience, just didn't know what the right signals were. Second time, I thought I'd adjusted, but I was still evaluating within the platform's own ecosystem, which is essentially letting them grade their own homework. Both situations cost real money, but they also pushed me to actually sit down and build a methodology around this, rather than just trusting my gut. Minimum entry, independent verification, extended observation before scaling. Those 2 experiences were honestly the most educational thing that's happened to me in this space. Uncomfortable way to learn, but the foundation it built is held up. Alright guys, links in the description if you want to check it out. And look, I genuinely think you should. Not just this platform, but the whole process of actually getting in there, testing things yourself, building your own read on what works. That's the stuff that pays off long term. Start small, verify what you can independently, give it enough time to show you something real. And honestly, that process is kind of satisfying once you get the hang of it. You stop feeling like you're guessing and start actually knowing. That's a good place to get to.